Dear friends, welcome to my video on the art of war and cybersecurity. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Sharing with you the 5 ways to protect against cyber attacks. 1. Know your enemy. Threat intelligence Sun Tzu once said, if you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. This wisdom is just as applicable to the digital realm as it is to ancient battlefields. Threat intelligence involves gathering and analyzing data about potential threats and understanding their tactics, techniques, and procedures. It's like getting a tip-off about your enemy's next move. Subscribe to threat intelligence feeds, participate in cybersecurity forums, and collaborate with industry peers. When you're aware of the latest tactics that hackers are using, you can better anticipate their moves and set up defenses accordingly. It's like having spies in your enemy's camp. 2. Strengthen your castle walls. Regularly patch and update. Remember those massive fortresses in old war movies? Their high walls were formidable, but if a single stone was out of place, it was a vulnerability. In the digital world, software and systems are your castle walls, and hackers are always looking for that weak stone. Regularly updating and patching software helps to fix vulnerabilities that might give attackers a way in. Sure, hitting the update button might seem like a chore, especially when you're in the middle of a Netflix binge. But think of it as maintenance on your fortress. And if you're responsible for a business or organization, consider using automated patch management systems. These can ensure that all devices and systems are up to date without you lifting a finger. Hide in plain sight. Encryption and anonymity tools. There's a tactic in warfare called camouflage, where you blend into your surroundings so the enemy can't spot you. In cybersecurity, encryption is your camouflage. When you encrypt your data, even if an attacker intercepts it, they'll see only gibberish. Use end-to-end encryption for communication, ensuring that only the intended recipient can decrypt and read it. For browsing, consider using the Tor network or VPNs to mask your digital footprints. It's like donning a digital invisibility cloak. Even if the enemy is watching, they won't see anything valuable. 4. Train your troops. Cybersecurity awareness training. Sun Tzu also emphasized the importance of preparation, stating, the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. One of the easiest ways for hackers to breach a system isn't through advanced technical skills, but rather through manipulating people, a tactic known as social engineering. That random email from a Nigerian prince, or the one pretending to be from your bank. These are attempts to trick you into giving away sensitive information. Combat this by training yourself and your team to recognize and avoid these tricks. Make it a point to regularly educate everyone about the importance of not clicking on suspicious links, the dangers of sharing passwords, and the latest phishing scams making the rounds. Think of it as basic combat training for the digital age. 5. Always be ready. Incident response plans. Even with the best preparations, battles can be unpredictable. In the same way, despite all precautions, there's always a chance of a cybersecurity breach. This is where Sun Tzu's advice on strategy and adaptability comes into play. In war, the way is to avoid what is strong and to strike at what is weak, he said. An incident response plan, IRP, is your battle strategy for when things go south. This plan lays out a step-by-step process to follow if a breach is detected, who to notify, what steps to take to contain the breach, and how to recover. By having an IRP in place, you ensure that even in the face of an attack, you can act swiftly and decisively, minimizing damage. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.